subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new affordable phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y100i. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y100i features a 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.1% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y100i sports a dual camera setup under squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 with Origin OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.1 by 76.2 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y100i has been priced in China at 1,599 Chinese yuan. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black, Clear Sky Blue, and Pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y100i smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.